In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Wix Payments account. First, log into your Wix dashboard at Wix. Once you're inside, select the website you want to set up payments for. Next, go to the left-hand menu and click on Settings, then select Accept Payments. This is where all payment methods are managed for your site. After that, look for Wix Payments and click Set Up or Connect Account. If you don't see it, it may mean Wix Payments is not available in your country, and you will need to use an alternative provider. Now start the onboarding process. You will be asked to enter your business details, including your business name, address, type of business, and contact information. Next, you will need to add your personal information for verification, such as your legal name, date of birth, and identity documents if required. After that, connect your bank account so Wix can send your payouts. Enter your bank details carefully and make sure they match your official records. Now review all the information and submit your application. Wix may take some time to verify your account before activating payments. Once approved, go back to the Accept Payments section and confirm that Wix Payments is active on your store. Finally, test your checkout by making a small test purchase to ensure everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Wix Payments account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.